Hiningang hindi matatawaran ang suportang handog ng Civil Military Operations Group Philippine Navy sa walang humpay na tulong na ibinibigay ng Mirasol Outreach Foundation Incorporated patungkol sa hindi maikakaila na galing sa kultura at sining dito sa Divine Grace Leisure Park, Lipas City, Batangas, 26 nitong Hulyo, taong kasalukuyan. Nagpakitang gilas ang mga kabataan ng Japan, Nepal, France, Indonesia at Philippines sa ginanap na Kaibigan ng Mundo Youth Camp Cultural Show na kung saan ay nagpamalas ng iba't ibang talento sa sining at kultura ang mga ito. Maliban sa kanilang mga hindi maitatangging galing sa sining, ipinakita rin nila ang husay sa mga tradisyonal at katutubong mga awitin at sayaw. Ang Mirasol Outreach Foundation Incorporated ay labis na nagagalak sa naging matagumpay na aktibidad kasama ang suportang handog ng Civil Military Operations Group Philippine Navy na walang humpay na nagbibigay ng agarang aksyon sa tuwing may ganitong programang ipinapatupad.
As you can see here, this is a wallet. Design is from batik. Wayang pen. Wayang is like a shadow puppet in Indonesia.
Today our stand is French products. So you have hand cream, soap, and sunscreen and body cream, who was made in France. And our delegation now come from 3 parts of France, so north, south, west, and south to east. And this product come from north.
We are selling some items which are from Nepal. These are paper earrings, necklaces, and some key rings. For this, we only have keychain. Yes, we only have this much for now.
We are going to do calligraphy, like shodo. We say shodo, and they can pick up the kanji, the Chinese characters, and then we can writing on the fan or paper. And also we are selling like a Japanese fan kit. That's actually one of the paper companies supporting us to bring the washi paper.
We have the Dream Weavers who are from Blan, the Tinalak, the famous Lang Dulay, and also we have the Inabal of the tribe in Bukidnon, and we have the Ikat and also the Yakan cloth from Basilan.
Ang naturang aktibidad ay isang panibagong hakbang upang mas mapalalim ang pagkakaisa ng Civil Military Operations Group Philippine Navy at Mirasol Outreach Foundation Incorporated na mas maghandog ng tulong sa iba pang mga sektor sa komunidad. Mula rito sa Divine Grace Leisure Park, Lipas City, Batangas, ako si Apprentice Seaman Journalist Kate Valerie Provido nag-uulat para sa Oras ng Mandaragat at Mandirigma.